Welcome to Mike's Organic Cafe. This is a delicious way to incorporate lavender tea flavour into delicious choc truffles. You and your loved ones can enjoy them after a protein-packed dinner. I think this dessert is perfect for Christmas too. For some reason, lavender made me think of Jesus. Maybe I'm thinking of those gifts the three wise men gave to baby Jesus, but one wasn't lavender, so I don't know. It's nice to think of something positive after another shit year though. Ingredients are 2 bags of choc buttons. You can use dark chocolate 55% or milk chocolate. 1 tub of organic cream, 1 tablespoon lavender plus more for decorating if desired. I found it in herb tea form at the organic shop. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, room temperature, and a pinch of salt. Step 1. Line an 8x8 inch pan with cling wrap and set aside for now. Step 2. Pour the cream into a small saucepan and place it over a medium heat. Step 3. Bring the cream to a simmer, and once it just starts to boil, turn off the heat and stir in the dried lavender. Step 4. Cover the boiling pot with a tight fitting lid and let it sit at room temperature for 10 minutes to infuse the cream with the flavour of the lavender. Step 5. Grab a bag of choc buttons, pour the contents into a stainless steel bowl, then when the 10 minutes is up, remove the lid and pour the hot cream through a mesh strainer over the choc buttons to strain out the lavender. Step 6. Let the bowl sit undisturbed for 1 minute to soften the chocolate. Step 7. After a minute, gently whisk the chocolate and cream together until the chocolate melts and you have a smooth, shiny texture. Step 8. Add the room temperature butter and a pinch of salt and whisk together. Step 9. Remove the cling wrap from the tray and pour the lavender chocolate mixture into it, making sure it's all spread out into an even layer. Step 10. Grab the layer of cling wrap and place it on top of the choc mixture, gently pressing down. This is so it doesn't form a skin. Then let it sit until it comes to room temperature. I hate cling wrap. I feel like a Neanderthal working with it. It's too delicate. I had to grab another sheet and try a second time. Step 11. Once at room temperature, refrigerate it until it is firm enough to cut cleanly. About 90 minutes. Step 12. After the 90 minutes is up, check to see if it's firmed up. This is meant to be a chewy truffle part of the chocolate. Bite so it'll firm but remain weak. Also, I messed up. I was supposed to place a sheet of cling wrap on the bottom before putting the truffle choc in. I thought it'd be easy to flip, but it's stuck to the bottom of the pan. But it can still be salvaged once we do the next steps, so you shouldn't lose much chocolate. If it did firm up, leave it in the fridge for now while we make the second top coating. Step 13. Melt the other bag of choc buttons over a boiling pot filled halfway with water on a medium heat. You can add a few drops of peppermint extract if you like that choc mint flavour like I did. Step 14. Note before you continue. This step has to be done fairly quickly. You don't want the truffle mix to melt too much, so once the peppermint choc buttons are melted, place them on the bench, being careful with the hot bowl. And grab a spoon and spread the melted choc over the combined truffle mix. Then sprinkle a few raw lavender pieces over the choc and refrigerate straight away until the choc hardens. It shouldn't take too long, maybe give it an hour. Step 15. Once it sets, remove from the fridge and cut into bite-sized squares. This recipe didn't quite work out how I'd like. However, despite that, the taste is still amazing. If you have a fix to make the truffle part a bit thicker by adding another organic ingredient, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments, it would be a great help. This recipe has so many steps for only a few organic ingredients, but it is worth it in the end. It's so delicious, but don't eat the whole thing yourself. This is a time for sharing. Refrigerate until ready for serving and enjoy. Be seeing you.